Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. How's your fragrance day going today? It's Thursday, isn't it? And what was your choice for Thursday? Let's say, did you choose perfumes that would be on the lighter side, like a fresher side, or you went for something that would be maybe a little bit harder to wear, maybe something that, that would have some kind of like a strength in the perfume, that would have a character, what was your perfume for the choice? I ask you this, guys, because, my choice of the day, guys, today was Leather by Lattafa, guys. I spoke about it before, but I really like to come back again because, I experience it, different in every day. So this perfume, don't confuse, it's not that Lattafa, that white perfume. There's that another one, I never had chance to experience, which that one actually supposed to be even more better than this. Like, I don't know. I only have from Anna Abias, I have that Rouge, and then I have Leather. That's two perfumes from Anna Bias that I have, by Lattafa. So, guys, this perfume I chose, guys, as my scent of the day because I was wearing those other perfumes, guys, and I thought, let me just go with that one because I want some kind of character in the perfume. And I remember, guys, exactly how this perfume smells like. I remember it, and it smells, it's written, on the notes that it's like a successful blend of those notes, very successful blend of those notes, which was musk, vetiver, leather, green type of notes. What else was there? Like a citrus. There was citrus as well, and it smells, guys, earthy. Like one day I was walking with this perfume in a rainy day, and I was thinking, wow, like it smelled a little bit like as if it would be like smokers if you would be smelling smokers jacket, but that smell is not pleasant. But this one is very pleasant, guys. I believe that I'm not a smoker, but if you would be smoker, guys, this perfume would be suitable for you. But I would recommend you guys to quit smoking first of all. Maybe better, guys, buy this perfume for the money that you spend for cigarettes, and then enjoy this perfume as a leather type of scent, and quit smoking. That's what I would recommend. So this perfume has this type of smoky leather scent that is really powerful, guys. It says that it's very potent, this perfume, and it's true, guys. I was spraying only 2 sprays of this perfume, and I was feeling it throughout the day until now. Actually, now, let's say I would like to spray it for you guys just to show, but actually I am a bit doubtful to spray because I still feel my perfume, So this perfume, is very potent. You need only 2 sprays for, let's say, if you are, watching this video and you are thinking, oh, this girl is speaking very positively about this perfume, and now you are thinking to buy it. So some people, I must tell you, don't like this perfume. For some people, it's too much because maybe it's too strong, whatever they say, leather is too strong. But if you, let's say, a person that already tried, Middle Eastern perfumes, and most of them you liked it, so then don't be worried too much, guys. Just simply get this perfume and that's it. Especially if you like to experience new perfumes, I don't reach for this perfume every day, but when I reach this perfume, every time I enjoy it, and I nearly got a compliment there. It wasn't even a compliment, but I mean, somebody was curious, who is wearing some kind of, what's that perfume, somebody's wearing, type of situation, because it's, I think this perfume is niche quality, guys, niche quality perfume because of the strength of the notes, there is patchouli as well in this perfume, and it smells really earthy, guys, this perfume, very earthy and leathery, but this, let's say, I prefer this perfume than Velvet Oud, guys. My hand is so tired right now. So, guys, I prefer this particular perfume instead of that Velvet Oud has that type of Velvet Oud, guys, has a smell that is very potent too. It also has some kind of a leathery smell, but this one is more pleasant, guys. This perfume is more pleasant. So I would like to let's say, if you are adventurous adventurous person and you want to experience something new, and you are looking at this perfume, the price is very little, just go with it. It's unisex, guys. Maybe don't expect to be using this perfume every day, but it will be something that would stand in your shelves, and sometimes you will probably want to reach it, guys. And my hand is so tired, guys. And basically, once you do reach it, guys, it will be very type of pleasant for you to wear. So that would be my description. And I was happy today with this perfume because guys, the longevity was perfect. I think like many people around me probably felt it too. I only sprayed 2 sprays to reassure that I wouldn't overpower other people, just to make this experience more pleasant. But actually, to be honest, maybe 1 spray is too much, just to be more delicate. If you want to be more delicate type of situation, really, guys, thumbs up for this perfume. Thumbs up, guys, for this perfume. But also, if you decide to buy this perfume, guys, remember that there is a slight risk that maybe it will be too strong for you. But to me, it wasn't too strong. It would be just some kind of very character perfume that I want to wear, not every day, but I want to wear maybe once in 1 week, and once I do wear it, I just feel so satisfied, guys. It's whenever you want to feel that character, perfume, something that would, let's say, give you some kind of uniqueness and interest throughout your day, something that would, as I always say, something, guys, that would mark your day. That's all what I would like to say. I'll be back to you very soon. And like this video so we can meet each other again. Be sure to have a beautiful day with your perfume that you are wearing. And bye-bye, guys. See you soon.